Can you drive a car without a catalytic converter? Hey gearheads, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something catalytic converters, the part everyone seems to be talking about these days, especially with the rise of catalytic converter thefts. They're expensive, they're targeted, and they play a critical role in your car. But here's the big question. Can you actually drive your car without one? And if you can, what really happens when you do? Today we're breaking it down. The facts, the risks, the legal side, and even how your car itself reacts. Stick around because the answer isn't as simple as a yes or no. A quick reminder to subscribe, like, and share this video. What a catalytic converter does. Catalytic converter is basically a filter for your exhaust system. It takes harmful gases like carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxides, and unburned hydrocarbons and converts them into less harmful gases, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, and water vapor. In other words, it's there to clean up the mess before it leaves your tailpipe. Without it, your car will still run, but what comes out of the exhaust is a whole lot dirtier. Can you drive without it? So, technically, yes, your car will still run without a catalytic converter. Engines don't need the converter to fire up or to drive down the road. In fact, some older cars before the mid-1970s didn't even have them. If someone cuts it off or you remove it, the engine will still work. But here's the catch. Just because it can drive doesn't mean it should. There are some big downsides that start showing up right away. The problems you'll face. Check engine light. Modern cars rely on oxygen sensors before and after the catalytic converter. Remove it, and those sensors throw error codes. Your check engine light will come on, and your car might even go into limp mode. Noise. A catalytic converter also acts like part of your muffler system. Without it, your car gets loud. I'm not talking performance car loud. I mean raspy, metallic, and obnoxious. Performance issues. While some people think removing the converter boosts horsepower, in most modern cars, it actually hurts performance. Your ECU expects to see certain readings. Without them, your air-fuel ratio can get messed up, leading to rough running or worse fuel economy. Emissions. The most obvious downside. Your car will pump out way more pollution. That's not just bad for the planet, it can get you in trouble with the law. Legal trouble. And that brings me to the biggest one. In most places, driving without a catalytic converter is illegal. In the US, for example, federal law makes it illegal to remove or tamper with emissions equipment. You could fail inspection, get fined, or even have your car impounded depending on the state. Other countries have similar rules. A quick reminder to subscribe, like, and share this video. Why people still remove them. Now, let's be real. Some people still remove their catalytic converters. Why? Theft. Thieves steal them for the precious metals inside. Cost. Replacing one can be very expensive, sometimes $1,000 or more. Performance myths. Some enthusiasts think removing it gives a free horsepower boost. On older cars, it might help slightly, but on modern cars with computer-controlled systems, the gains are minimal at best. So, while you can drive without one, the downsides far outweigh any potential benefit. Driving without it long-term is not a good idea. You'll face noise, performance issues, and legal problems. So, can you drive without a catalytic converter? Yes, but you really shouldn't. It's bad for your car, bad for the environment, and bad for your wallet in the long run. Have you ever had a catalytic converter stolen or dealt with replacing one? Share your story in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more car tips and breakdowns, and I'll see you in the next video.